ओम तत्सत.
ओम तत्सत.
ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः.
ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः.
So today we are going to do a very important session of Bhagavad Gita Satsangam. That is, we have to understand the purpose of Bhagavad Gita is to understand ourselves, our life, human life. What is the purpose of human life? How to get benefit from this birth? Not just merely passing it out and also chanting it also for just namesake or just without chanting, spending time just like that is not the purpose of life. We have to understand what are we actually, what I am, how I am, who I am. Ramana Maharshi used to ask a lot of foreigners used to go and ask him, sir, you tell me what is Atma Jnanam and how to get self-realization. So this kind of how do I get liberation, how do I get moksha? He used to ask them many questions. If you go to Tiruvannamalai, it is there. He used to ask them, who are you? Just think on that. He used to say this and then he used to keep quiet. And people used to wonder, even prime ministers have gone and asked him, give me some knowledge, self-knowledge. This is, who are you? So that is the topic we are going to cover up today. Who are we? What are we? How we are made it up? It's all there in the Bhagavad Gita. So, and then thereafter there are three things in life. One is kshetram sa, to anybody. Anybody has got a body, sir. Anyone. So, man or a woman or a prime minister, even a normal peon clerk, everybody has got a body. Kshetram. It's called kshetram. And in this body, who is living in you? You are living in your body, I am living in my body. And everybody is living in their bodies. This is in fact our home, this body. Your body is your home. So, Kshetram, Kshetrajna, Jivatma, and Dehi, they call it. And third one, these two are being maintained by the Paramatma, these are the Lord Vishnu, this people see, one of the forms. So Ashwata Vriksham. So the Lord Paramatma, Lord Vishnu, Vishnu, Prabhu Vishnu, Vishnu, Jishnu, Prabhu Vishnu, Mahavishnu, Maheshwaram, they call it. So he is maintaining all these bodies. If we think I am maintaining my body, I am partly right, but not fully right. If you are thinking that you are maintaining your body, you are partly right, not fully right. Because Paramatma is maintaining this, because himself is dwelling in the body. So we'll go into this subject matter without further delay. About Kshetram, there are three things we have to learn. Kshetram, Kshetrajna, and Kshetram, Kshetrajna, and then Paramatma. This we have to learn. The Kshetrajna is described by Lord Krishna in a secret manner. That is Jnanam, he said. That is where we are Jnanam. That way to understand the secrets of Bhagavad Gita. The deep secrets of Bhagavad Gita we have to dwell on. Then only we will get the benefit of it. We don't get benefit, otherwise we just go normally. So we are called Kshetrajna, we are also called Dehi, we are called Jivatma, we are also called Jnanam. That is why Buddhi Jnanam. If our Buddhi is lost, or Jnanam is lost, say my Jnanam is lost, I don't know what I am doing in all that. Somebody is going, I'll hit him, and somebody is just saying, I laugh at him, I just say, I don't earn money, I don't eat from it, I don't look after my family. So Jnanam, there is no Jnanam. Buddhi Jnanam, that we are called Jnanam also. But then this Jnanam should lead us to live both ways, to live here well and to go to Paralokam also. That is the thing. So Lord Krishna is all merciful Lord Krishna is telling us in chapter 13. We are going to do that now, sir. Kshetram, Mahabhutani, Ahankara, Buddhi, Avyaktam Evacha, Indriyani, Dasaikam Cha, Panchacha Indriya Gochara, Icha Dvesha, Sukham Dukham, Sanghata Chetana Drupihi, Ete Kshetram Samasena, Savikaram Udahriti. So he described the Kshetram like this. So in a nutshell, if I have to explain to you, Mahabhutani, Pancha Mahabhutas are there. In this body, in my body, in your body, everybody's body, five Mahabhutas are there, subtle elements are there. Pancha Mahabhutani, Ahankaram is there in us, that ego is there. I am this, I can do this, yes, I cannot do this, like this. I can achieve this, I can do tapas, I cannot do tapas, like that. So ahankaram, buddhi, that decide what is the correct one, which is not correct one. Some people worship the god, some people worship the Shudra Devatas. Buddhi will decide whether I should worship devils or not, whether I should worship the god. Buddhi decides. So that buddhi, which takes us towards the god, is the important one. So Mahabhutani Ahankara Buddhi Avyaktam Evacha, and this Kshetram also Avyaktam, because you can't see or I can't see what five elements are there in my body. Water is there, where water is there, where air is there, we can't see. Avyaktam Evacha, Buddhi Avyaktam, that is the invisible soul is there. That is also maintaining our body. Sometimes the doctors will say your body itself will heal you. Many sometimes will say that Avyaktam, that power is there in our own bodies. Indriyani Dasaikam Cha, there are 10 Indriyas, senses, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin, and then Indriyani Indriyas, the senses, only not sense objects. Sense objects are different. And Indriyani Dasaikam Cha, 5 Indriyas, and then 5 more of this organs of action. The organs of knowledge, organs of action. There are two types of organs are there in our body. So, Dasa Aikamcha, and Manas also. Manasu, that's 11, total 11 are there. Manasu is also, mind is also one Indriyam. Like yesterday we described about mind. Mind is very important sense organ for us. That only will take us to various actions. But today you are sitting here and I am sitting here. You are doing yoga, so your mind has told you to let me do, utilize the time by doing yoga. My mind told me, let me go and today utilize the day by praying to the God. So the mind is a one. So the Indriya is the Panchasha Indriya Gochara. 5 sense objects are there. Like you said, smell, taste, sight, touch. Yes, sir. And this breathing, this kind of thing, 5 sense objects are there. So sparsham, touching is also. So Panchasha Indriya Gochara, Kshetram Sha. And Ichha Dvesha, Sukham Dukkham. Everybody forms like and dislikes. Somebody, as soon as he sees me or he sees you, they'll form either liking or dislikes. Ichha Dvesha, Sukham Dukkham. Somebody will feel, you give a cup of tea, I'll feel happy, and I may feel sad also. So like that. Sukham Dukkham. Sanghata Chetna, this all composition is one place. Sanghatam is complex. Or what is the complex of all these? Chetana, that is, Chetana is the consciousness. And Dhruti. Dhruti is the courage actually, sir. Like we have Dhruti to come and sit here to spend 1 hour for Bhagavad Gita. We have decided. With courage we have come and sitting here. Otherwise, a lot of people don't have that courage inside. 1 hour of we can't waste, we can't spend, we can't sit. They don't sit. Dhruti has been there. That Dhruti is there. Dhruti, again, these 3 types of Dhruti we will subsequently see. Satvika Dhruti, Rajasika Dhruti, and Tamasika Dhruti. So we have Satvika Dhruti, that is why we are coming here. That is courage, determination. This we have got it. Etik Kshetram, it's all Kshetram. All Kshetra. Samasena Savitkar Hoga. Now this about that person, you and me, God is describing Jivatmas. He is describing intelligently, very nicely. Like you say, if I say I am myself and you say yourself, nobody understands. I am myself here. You say I am myself. But what is that myself? Everybody says myself. That myself is explaining in a knowledge point of view. What is with knowledge? We are our knowledge only, sir. Amanitvam, Adambitvam, Ahimsa, Shanti, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, Saucham, Stairyam, Atma Vinigraha, Indriyarteshu Vairagyam, Anahankara Evacha, Janmam Ritu Jara Vyati Dukha Doshar Darshanam, Anahankaraha. So here in Kshetram there is Ahankaram. In Kshetram, subtle form, Kshetram, Ahankaram is there. Somebody touches you wrongly, you will get angry, you will hit back. Ahankaram, out there. Wars, people have fought wars to kill each other also. Ahankaram. Anahankara. Jnana means saying anahankara. Anahankara means you should be egoless. You see, both are contrast. One is gross form, and second one is a subtle form. That both are there in us. The Jivatma is anahankara. Vairagya, which if you see Lord Rama or Lord Krishna, they are totally anahankara. They have no egos. Lord Rama has killed hundreds and thousands of demons, but he didn't kill them with the ego. He, for the Dharmaraka's sake, and when they were harming him, they kidnapped his wife. They kidnapped his wife. They said he fought for his self-defense and protection. Not with the ego, not on his own. Anahankara. That is very important quality we have to cultivate. We have to recognize within ourselves. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha dosha darshan. That we have to recognize. This body is not permanent. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi, old age and disease. Dukkha dosha darshan. If they come, how much pain we will feel. That we have to feel it every time. So it's not that कि बिंदास का रहो and मुझे कुछ नहीं होता मैं 100 साल रहूँगा. So suddenly his heart fails and he collapses. So that is ignorance. This is knowledge. This is what is called jnanam. This is the antidote of ignorance. Opposite of ignorance is jnanam. So sir, next asakti anapishwangaha putradara gruhadishu. One should not keep running around his wife and children only. That is why we have come here. You have come here and I have come here. My son is there, my wife is there, and then how they are having breakfast. I told them, sorry, this is time for me to Bhagavad Gita. So this is asakti anapishwangaha putradara gruhadishu. So we have come here. And nityam cha samachitatvam ishtanishtavu bhatishu. So whatever happens, we have to take both in good and bad. Whatever happens, we have to take in the right stride. Maicha ananya yogena bhakti avyabhicharini. Right, sir? Vivikta desa sevitvam arati janasansari. Very important. Mai cha, this is also part of jnanam. Mai cha ananya yogena bhakti. There is no wavering. We have to think of God like to. That is why you have come here and I have come here. We are thinking of God. Maicha ananya yogena bhakti avyabhicharini. So ananya yogena. Anya yogena, ananya yogena. There are two things. Anya yogena means that now we are thinking of only God. We are not thinking of money, wealth, house, car, friends, relatives, property. We are not thinking about that. Our enjoyment. Aaj shaam ko kya karenge, kahan enjoy karenge. We are not thinking of. We are thinking of God. Maicha ananya yogena bhakti avyabhicharini. That is why you are sitting under the people tree also by thinking of Him. His form only. Vivikta desa sevitvam. That touring the places and all that, religious places. Arati Janasansari, Tirthayatra and all. Arati Janasansari. Like there are no Rati, Arati. Rati is getting involved in interesting. Arati is not getting involved with the Janasansari, with crowd people. Then you see around us there are no crowd of people. So Arati Janasansari. This is a part of Jnanam. What we are living is a very knowledgeably we are living. And if there are crowd, not that 100 times, but sometimes we attend some parties with different, but throughout whole day we can't be like this, Rati. Arati Janasansadi. Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam. Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam means the spiritual energy about the soul. Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam. That has to be constantly there. I am not this body, I am the soul. That we have to think. Because body will dominate us otherwise. So, Tattva Jnanartha Darshanam, Etat Jnanam iti Proktam, Ajnanam Yat Tadu Anida. Only all these things are Jnanam. Whatever is not covered in this, as per Lord Krishna, everything is Ajnanam. Like paisa kamao, khao piyo, ash karo, so jao, wo sab Ajnanam. Right, sir? Now, Jnayam, the nature of Paramatma, God Himself is describing how He is. This way, if we gradually listen and pray every day, and we should cultivate it in our meditation also, it will help us. This way of thing. God form, which we can imagine like this, with the help of our mind. Now, I'll read this only. Chapter 13, 12 to 17 and 22. Jnayam yattat prajnayam, the one which is to be known. We have to think of only one thing. But like we know so many things. From here, how to go to Chennai, from here, how to go to Delhi, from here, how to go to Mumbai, from how to earn money, how to do share market, how to invest in this. So many jnayam are there, knowledgeable things are there. But Lord Krishna is saying, jnayam means They are all not game. From soul point, spiritual soul point of view, Paramatma Swarupam, that we have to know. That is explaining now. Yayam yat tat pravakshami yat jnatva amritam ashmita. Amritam ashmita. Get amritam. Amritam is the given by the gods to us. Lord Indra gives amritam to the. He gives in subtle form also. They give in subtle form. Lord Vishnu gives in subtle form. One is physical form also. Physical form is for that we don't know, we have to do a lot of tapas and all that. Then they give. But by reading Bhagavad Gita, we get these kind of things. We get it subtle form. Amritam Asnute. We get it. Asnute. Amritam Asnute. Just by knowing this, we get it in this. Lord Krishna himself says. Anadimat Param Brahma. Param Brahma is Anadimat. There is no beginning. It's beginningless. That Paramatma whom we are praying today, that these people see, that Paramatma is Anadimat. Okay. Time immemorially is there. We are born in this period we are discussing right now. But before us also God is there. After us also God is there. Anadimat. Param Brahma, na sat na asat uchite. Neither is physically, he is appeared in that particular form, or na asat. Okay, he is not there. That is also. He is not appear, he doesn't appear. That is also there. He appears or he may not appear. Na as, na sat, na asat uchite. Sat is always there. Asat is also the body. The body will collapse sometime. Asat. Our body is asat actually. What we think is permanently physical. But इसको maintain करना चाहिए till time. But then जो भी maintain कर लो, and it will have to collapse one day. So that he is describing now. That Anadimat Param Brahma, Nasat Nasat. How he is there. That's why you have to open your mind on these 5-6 slokas which I am going to read right now. I will read all these first. Sarvata Panipadam, Tas Sarvato Akshi Shiromukham, Sarvata Sruti Malloke, Sarvam Avritta Vishri. Sarvata Panipadam means hands and legs. Panipadam. They are there everywhere. But we have to imagine this. Lord Shiva, for example, Lord Vishnu, your countless legs and crores of hands, crores of legs, feet, there. Crores of heads, eyes. He's seeing everywhere. God is seeing everywhere, every time. Sarvata Panipadam, Tat Sarvato Akshi Shiromukham, Sarvata Sruti Malloke, Sarvam Avrita Tishriti. He listens to everything else. Like now we are discussing this, the soul listens to this. Or we are playing Tambola or something, he listens to that also. Some cards we are playing. So he will see everything. And he will see this also. What we are doing Bhagavad Gita at this time, now we are sitting under the people tree. Sarvata Sruti Malloke, Sarvam Avriti Sri, is enveloping everything. Sarvendri Guna Bhasam, Sarvendri Vivarjitam. Now, this Guna Bhasam, so he enjoys everything. Like, now, somebody offers you good drink, some sweet tea, coffee, some paisam, you will drink it, you will enjoy it. And Sarvendri Vivarjitam, he doesn't also get involved in that. He enjoys it. So you offer, that is why in the puja room or when you offer something for a minute or two, something you offer a banana, you offer a body, he takes it. Sarvendriya Guna Bhasam, Sarvendriya Vivarjitam. He doesn't get involved in that also. कि यार रघुरामन जी केला खिलाएंगे, केशवराव जो है पानी पिलाएगा, मैं उसी को वेट करता रहूँगा. He doesn't wait like that. He doesn't crave for that. But whosoever offers, he takes it. Whosoever doesn't offer, it's okay.
As a proof, in South one temple, they offer every day, so many thousands of people will come. They offer that. And that prasadam when you take back, it will not have sin. They put everything and take it. That shows that something happens
Yes,
there.
supernatural powers are asaktam sarvabhrutcha eva nirghanam gunabhrutcha. Asaktam sarva. He is not interested in you and me and in anybody. Asaktam sarvabhrutcha. To anybody, all are equal to him. It's not that Kesharao or Raghunamanji, both are reading Bhagavad Gita daily. so I do some favor to them. It's not that. And somebody who doesn't pray him, I did not look after him. It's not that. Asaktam Sarvabhut Seva, all are equal to him. And Nirgunam Gunabhokti. Nirgunam. In Nirgunam, he doesn't have any Sattva-rajas, Tamo gunas, we all have got it by Prakriti. And Kshetram. And he doesn't have that. Nirgunam. He doesn't have that. That's why he is above the Shakti. Parvati Mata is Lakshmi Mata, Saraswati Mata is below him. They cannot dominate him. They can try to influence him. That because he is Sarvendra Gunabhasam, that quality is there. So if God is Lakshmi, solves it, presses his feet, lotus feet, this thing, enjoy. Mata Parvati is giving him Annapurna, Mata Annapurna, he gives him food, he takes it. So, but Nirgunam is Gunabhokta. So, Nirgunam Gunabhokta, he doesn't have that qualities, Sattva Rajasama Guna qualities, Gunabhokta. But at the time he Gunabhokta. At the time he enjoys also. He doesn't have any gunas, Trigunas, but he enjoys the gunas also. If say Goddess Parvati dances, mere saath dance karo, he dances. Lakshmi Mata he doesn't tell her, he straightaway takes birth as Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Satyajit, in 4 forms he takes it. And he comes to her, she finds out, and she is born as a Lakshmi. Guna Bhokta. Then she marries him. He's okay, I'll marry. He fight for her also. So, and he enjoyed her company in the forest also for 14 years. So, Nirgunam Guna Bhokta. When out of 14 years in Dandakaranyam, and 13 years she was there with him. For 1 year, Ravana has abducted her. He suffered the separation also. 13 years he enjoyed her company. 1 year when she was not there, he cried. Guru Bhokta. So, and otherwise he is Nirgunam also. So that is the quality of God actually. So who is maintaining us? He is maintaining you, he is maintaining me. Now, third one, 15th sloka. Bahir antacha bhutanam achram charam yevicha shukshvatvat. So, he is there in you and in me also. Outside also he is there inside also. Bahir antacha bhutanam achram charam yevicha. Like we are all moving people. Charam is there in us. Acharam, it doesn't move. The tree is there in these trees also. Acharam is also there. It's like hills, mountains, they don't move. He is there in that also. That's why he is living in that Kailasa Parvatam and all that. So Acharam Charam Yevicha Sukshmatva, Sukshmam, subtle ground. And Tat Avignayam Dorastam Cha. So those ignorant people, they say, no, there's no God and all the nonsense. Kya God? So Avignayam Dorastam Cha. Well, no God. Doram. He is far away. If I say God, there's no God, I cannot understand God at all. He's far away. ठीक है, millions of births लेते रहो, करोड़ों birth लेते रहो, ठीक है, God is not there, लेते रहो, तो फायदा नहीं है. अविज्ञा दोरस्तम चा अंतकेच तत्, but he says at the same time अंतकेच तत्, he is inside only. But those people who believe that God is there in you and me, God is residing in everybody's heart, he is there. But if we don't believe that he is there, dorastam. So that is what it is, sir. So vibhaktam avibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam yavcha sthitam. Though he is not separated, he is one soul. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu. All bhutas are one only. He is not separated from all bhutas. But vibhaktam yavcha sthitam. But he appears as if he is divided. He is separate from the bhutas. Like I'm there, my God is there in me, your God is there in me, my God is Vishnu, your God is Shiva, for example. Somebody says Allah, Muslim, somebody says Jesus Christ. So all the things, vibhaktam yavcha sthitam. So otherwise he is avibhakta. God is universal. God is not the divided one. It's our creation. That is what it is. So Bhuta Bhartruja Tadgyayam Grashishnu Prabhu Vishnu Cha. Bhuta Bhartru. He maintains the Bhutas. He maintains all people, sir, man, human beings and animals, trees, everything. He maintains it, sir. Bhuta Bhartru Tadgyayam Grashishnu Prabhu Vishnu Cha. Now, uske baad then, sir, he also kills them. He also creates them, makes them to take birth. So the soul power. So Jyotisham apta Jyoti tamasa param uchte jnanam gyayam jnanagamyam buddhi sarvasya vishnu. Jyotisham tat Jyoti Jyotisham api tat Jyoti tamasa param uchte. These sattva rajas tamo gunas are there, no? So they are very powerful. They are dark gunas. And is tamasa param uchte. He is above that. The darkness can catch you and me. Darkness can eat you and me. Darkness can make you suffer, make you fall asleep, dead sleep. Darkness can make you to not to know who is my mother, who is my wife, who is my sister, who is my daughter, who is my neighbor's person. The darkness, ignorance, it doesn't make it good. But he is above that. He knows. Tamasa param uchte. He knows. No, this is the such person. This is darkness. The ajnanam. And he is above that light. He is the light. Where he is there, the darkness cannot reach you. When the light is there, sir, so if sunlight is there, today night cannot happen. He is tamasa param uchte. So the sun is there, sun god. Tamasa param uchte. So that is an example for us. Sunlight is an example for us. Tamasa param uchte. Jyotisham tat Jyoti. Jyotisham tat Jyoti. Jyoti is light. No, he is the light. He is the tamasa param uchte. Surya is also form of the God. Lord Vishnu only, sir. So we have two here in front of us. One is people tree. Second one is the sun god. Yes, sir. And night time it is Chandrama will come. So tamasa param uchte. Jnanam, jnayam, jnanagamyam. All jnanam which we studied about amanitvam, adamritvam, ahimsa, shanti, arjivam. All this jnanam. Mahisha ananya yogir bhakti abhyabhicharni. Tattva jnanartha darshanam. So jnanam, with that jnanam, that jnayam, this is all jnayam of the form of the God. Jnanam, jnayam, jnanagamyam. After knowing all these two, with the help of these two, jnanagamyam. Where we will go? We will reach somewhere. So you know how to reach Mumbai. You will go that way, no? Then you will reach Mumbai. Otherwise, if I have to go to Himalayas, I can't go towards south, no. If I go to south, I will reach Kerala. So, Jnanagamyam. So, the Jnanagamyam, the reaching of the God, is only all these three things. Jnanam, Jnanam, Jnanagamyam, Hrudi Sarvasya Vishnu. All these three things are there in everybody's heart. Hrudi, Hrudayam, Sarvasya Vishnutam. In your heart it is there, in my heart it is there, in everybody's heart it is there. But we have to explore it. It is there in us. Jnanam, Jnayam, Jnanagamyam is there in everybody's heart. In your heart, my heart is. So with that, what we should do is, we have to explore it. We have to sit and we have to meditate. We have to focus. Jnanam, Jnayam, Jnanam. It is there in our heart. Nobody can teach you. Nobody can tell you more than what you can teach yourself. You know what is right, what is wrong. That is what it is. Jnanam, Jnayam, Jnanagamyam, Hrudi Sarvasya Vishnutam. Now, sir, another thing, 22 sloka he says that, Upadrashta Hanumantacha Bharta Bhokta Maheshwara Paramatma iti cha apivukta Dehe Ashman Purushapara. Upadrashta, now the God, he is there in you and me, in everybody he is there. He is saying that Upadrashta, he observes it. Like you are observing me, we are observing, no, sir, surroundings. So, like that he observes. Who? The God, the soul. Upadrashta, Hanumanta, permits also. Like say if you wanted to sit here, we are sitting here. We have got permission from our own selves. That's why we are here. You only permits. Otherwise, people are not coming here. Why? Because they didn't get the permission from within their own self. That's why they are not here. A lot of people, they didn't get permission. You and me have got permission. Hanumanta, Anumati, they call it Anumanta. Upadrashta Anumantacha, Bharta Bhokta Maheshwara. Bharta is who is maintaining, he is maintaining the body, all those things, our body temperature regulation. We can't do such things, so not a mode, no. So, Upadrashta Anumantacha, Bharta Bhokta. Once after Bharinchadam, then Bhokta also, like so we eat food, we take breakfast, we take lunch, we take dinner, we enjoy it, we sleep for some time, Bhokta. Maheshwaraha, he is a Maheshwara also, Lord Shiva. Paramatma is going bolte hain. Icha आपका देहे अस्मिन देहे, in this body, sir. Nowhere else, in your body, in my body, in everybody's body, अस्मिन देहे पुरुषः जो जीवात्मा परः वो. So he says that. That means what do we have to understand? That God is there within us, with us only. So this is about a God, sir. Now, couple of more important attributes to know Him, because we have to know the God. So long as we don't know the God, how can we reach Him, or how do we walk in that path? So we have to know the God. So to know the God, there are some more examples he gives it in chapter 7, 8 to 11, and in chapter 9 also, 16 to 19 he gives us. So I'll read that. Raso of aham apsu, kaunteya, apsu means water. Rasam, taste in the water. Raso aham apsu kaunteya, prabha asmi suryayo. Pranava, prabha, this prabha, the light, sunlight, kanti, prakasham, surya, is that. It's only God, is direct example to us. If somebody says there is no God, how can he say, because prabha asmi suryayo, that kanti is there, the sunlight is there, that is himself is God only, sir. We have to have that. Then firm belief लग जाता है तो फिर हमारा दिमाग में ना, then हम लोग दाएं बाएं नहीं भटकेंगे. We stay fixed in the God consciousness, not in the world consciousness. तो जो पहचानते नहीं है, भगवान सामने दिख रहा है प्रकाश रूप में, हम पहचानेंगे तो नमस्कार करेंगे, नहीं पहचानते तो नहीं का बोधर करते. दुनिया जा रही, कोई प्रेशर नहीं. प्रभास्म सूर्यो प्रणव सर्ववेदेषु ओंकारम सर्ववेदेषु शब्द के. In the space I am speaking, some sound is coming, and you are listening, you are speaking, some sound is coming. You say, my dear friend, yes sir, I say. So Shabdam, okay. Paurisham Rishuhu. The Paurisham Rishuhu is to be taken in that angle of there are 4 Purushadas, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. There are 4 Purushadas. We strive to attain this. We strive to maintain Dharma, we strive to earn money, Artha, Kama, we get married and have children, have a family, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and we strive for the liberation also. So this Paurisham, the trying, that attempt, today you are sitting here, I am sitting here, and trying to follow this Bhagavad Gita Satsanga, Paurisham, Drushu, these are human beings, these are male people, male or female who are. Paurisham Drushu, this attempt now you're trying to learn and understand Bhagavad Gita, doing Satsanga, itself is the his form. So that is those people who don't attempt this, they don't have the God in them, the God particular. Though he is there, but they don't recognize it. So that is the part. Paurisham Drushu, Punyo Gandhaha, Prudhivyamcha, this earth giving a good smell, sir. Tejas Chasmi Bhavasa, Jivanam Sarvabhuteshu, the life, the living principle is God only, sir. You are living alive, I am alive, everybody is alive. Those alive people, Jivanam, like breathing in, breathing out and all that, seeing, observing, responding, Jivanam, Sarvabhuteshu, so God only. Tapashasmi Tapasyasu, like you are doing tapas penance and all that, meditation and all that, that tapas also, in Tapasyasu, that also he is only. Everybody doesn't do tapas, but only few people who do tapas, that tapas also God only. So that is. Bijam Mam Sarvabhutanam Vidhupatha Sanatana. So he is the Sanatanam Jivatma in all Bhutas. He is there everywhere. God only, except God only, don't say anything. Buddhi Buddhimatam Asmi, Teja Tejasvinama. So all powerful people, bright people, the power or brightness is he only, sir. Like say, one leader says something, another leader says better thing. That difference, buddhimata must mean God form only, nothing else. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma aviruddha bhuteshu kamo asu bhargashu. So he says that without kamaraga vivarjitam, without any lust for lust or desire, this thing, kamaraga, that balam balavatam chaham, that is he. Like say for example, so I don't have craving for example, I don't have craving for money, woman, wealth, drink, food and all those things. Kamam, मेरा होना चाहिए सब. Kamaraga vivarchitam, without that balam, whatever is I have got it. That balam he says, balam balavatam chaham. That strength is he. With that strength only scientists are doing big achievements and big leaders are ruling the world. Big soldiers are ready to die for the nation, if required, while protecting the country. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarchitam. अरे मैं मर जाऊंगा तो क्या होगा? That desire is not there. My duty is to protect the country. They do, and they don't have, they may not die. Sometimes they will survive also. So sometimes they will die. But balavatam chaham, balam balavatam chaham, kamaraga vivarjitam. The contrary to this is civil world, in the sense that businessmen and all that, they only live for kamaragam. मारो छः, हमको क्या मिलता है, कितने में और ऑल मेक मनी, मेरे को नाम मिलता है ही नहीं मिलता, मेरे को पीपल अप्रिशिएट करते हैं नहीं करते, मेरे को पोस्ट मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता. So that is not he. He is above the kamaraga vivarjitam, balam, but he got strength also. Like say with this strength only people have ruled it. Like Shivaji Maharaj fought for it, that balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam. Shivaji fought against the oppression of the Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj, Sri Krishna Devaraya, how they did it, or Maharana Pratap, this kind of thing, they fought against Akbar and all these people. So, the balam balavatam chaham kamaraga, otherwise they are also like you and me. But they say no suppression, no oppression. And kamaraga is, I don't want anything, but I'll protect these people. So that kind of, that himself is the thing. It is said that one day, in Tukaram, Bhakta Tukaram is in Maharashtra, Pandaripuram, Shivaji goes to him one day to meet that Bhakta Tukaram with a great difficulty. You know, everybody, Muslims, leaders, they try to search for him and they try to kill him. That there is the orders received from their rulers. And so one day with a great difficulty he meets like Shivaji also, like you and me, kind of a satsang type. So he is a big war king and all. In his art he is a satsangam fellow. He goes to meet that Bhakta Tukaram. Somehow they came to know, this Muslims have come to know, that Shivaji आया. Because उसके साथ में वो 100-200 वो घुड़सवारी के रक्षक चलता है, अंगरक्षक चलता रहता है. So somehow they through their intelligence they got it. Then immediately they 10,000 people immediately charged off. Aurangzeb, somebody they passed orders, catch कर लो, so finish off. 200 people कहाँ पे protection party और 10,000 people कहाँ है sir? Then they started searching every corner, every house, this thing, every mountain area and all that. Lord Krishna, balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam, that I am telling you, dharma aviruddha bhuteshu kamo asmi bhargashu. We are in this sloka of God's thing. Then somebody informs them, Bhakta Tukaram ji बैठे हैं, शिवाजी महाराज नीचे बैठे हैं. नहीं आप गुरु है ना, महाराज ऐसा नो. तो राजा हमेशा ऊपर ही रहता है. तो बैठे हैं, उनकी सत्संग चल रहा था. Somebody informed immediately. These are leaked out. They came to know the enemies, the Muslims, the Mughals, and their 10,000 people are surrendered us. Then it is said in that history, Puranam, Salapuranam, immediately that Bhakta Tukaram When Shivaji gets agitated as to how to survive, how to go, how to leave his place, Bhakta Tukaram tells him, don't worry sir, I will pray to Lord Vishnu. Srihari will protect you. Pandaripuram, akkade untaru. I will pray for you. He will protect us. He will help you sir. So he says that, and then he prays to Lord Vishnu, Bhakta Tukaram. What happened is he said that the Muslim rulers, those 10,000 people, 500, they divided into 20 odd groups. Actually, very. To every area, there appeared to them one Shivaji and riding on a horse and going away. They started chasing him. These 500 and 1,000 people, 2,000 people started पकड़ लो उसको मार दो खत्म करो. Like this, 10, 15 directions, they all gone into wilderness. All have gone into wilderness, and they didn't find any Shivaji there because Lord Vishnu himself is appeared as Shivaji there and started horse riding, and they went away. And then after some time, then people have told him कि सर वो अभी हम कोई नहीं सब चले गए दूर चले गए थे. देन उसके बाद लॉर्ड वो भक्ति तुकाराम को नमस्कार किया. सर आपके मैं भी आपका शिष्य बन जाता हूँ, मैं सब छोड़ देता हूँ बिकॉज आप कितनी पावर है आपके.
करेक्ट.
मैं क्या नो सर आपको भगवान ने सेलेक्ट किया है, राजा बनाया, आप लोगों को रक्षा कर रहे हैं, इनोसेंट लोगों को रक्षा कर रहे हैं, आप यही करो सर, मैं आपको वर देता हूँ, आप आशीर्वाद दे सकते हैं. मैं मुश्किल से शिवाजी रोज आपके वहाँ से निकले इतना अच्छा. तो बलम बलवताम च हम कामराग विवर्जितम. शिवाजी डजंट हैव एनी लस्ट एंगर ग्रीड. धर्म अविरुद्ध भूतेषु कामो अशुभ. He is not, he married 2-3 wives, but not with the lust and all. Dharma aviruddha bhuteshu kamo ashubha. But kamo also himself, God only. Whereas Muslims, somebody, some Afzal Khan or somebody, he was having 80 to 90 wives. Bijapur, when the Bijapur queen orders him to kill the Shivaji, that fellow had 80 to 90 wives. And they are so powerful, they kill, they attack any beautiful woman in that area, they find out and they attack and take and make her wife. 80 to 90 wives, but he killed all of them. When Shivaji, when he was tasked to attack Shivaji, he was afraid that when Shivaji, if he by chance Shivaji kills him, he will marry all these 80 beautiful women. So they should not live. So he had called them one by one and all they lured them into love making and all. He killed all of them. It's there in the history. Then it's shown in the telecast also, TV telecast also. Then, but finally Shivaji kills him. So that is what it is. So dharma aviruddha bhuteshu kama. This is a God form, sir. ये चाहिए वो सात्विका भावा राजसा तामसा चाहिए मत एवेचा मिति मतम तेश्री. The sattva and rajas tamo guna also coming out of him only. And but he is not there in them. That is why secret. I am affected by sattva rajas tamo gunas. You are also affected by sattva rajas tamo gunas. Everybody is affected by sattva rajas tamo gunas. So, but God is not there in that. We are surrounded by sattva. Yes, sir. Sattva rajas tamo guna iti guna prakriti sambhava nibadhanti mahabaho dehe dehinam avyayam. They surround us. They encircle us. If I wanted to become like, act like a Gautam Buddha or something, I cannot, because Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunas are surrendered. They'll make me, whatever I am, I'll behave. Like we are written in Bhagavad Gita is also our God's grace. Sattva Guna has dominated whatever it is. But we cannot pretend. That is why many people are not come here. Tribhi Gunai, they are all affected by Sattva more than you and me. Tribhi Gunai Maye Bhave Evi Sarvam Idam Jagat. Sarvam Idam Jagat. Tribhi Gunai Maye Bhave. Mohitam na Avijanati Mam Evya Param Avyam. God is the Bhavam is the Param Bhavam. Param Avyam. That is, we have to learn this kind of things, secrets from the Bhagavad Gita. God is Param Avyam. If we remember even this particular thing also, Param Avyam, we made it in our life. Let me tell you, at the time of death, I am leaving this body, I am reaching the Param Avyam, Omkaram. We will definitely reach, sir. Then the person who doesn't know this, who doesn't repeat this, something is better than nothing, you know. दैवी ही एष गुणमयी मम माया दुरजय माम एव ये प्रपद्यन्ते माया मृतां तरन्ति. He says only the person who prays to me like you are praying and I am praying. Mam eva ye prapadyante, prayer prapadyante. Maya medam taranti. This illusion, all illusion, Maya medam taranti. So that is what comes. Yes, sir. Otherwise, it is very difficult to overcome this. Now, sir, aham kratu aham yajna. In chapter 9, he says some more. A lot of things are there, but then we will cover it up. Aham kratu aham yajna. Swada aham aushadam. Mantra aham eva ajyam. Aham agni aham hotam. He says that this क्रतु यज्ञ पूजा पाठ ये सब उसी का रूप है. अहम यज्ञ जो करता है स्वधा अहम, उसमें जो घी वगैरह डालते हैं अहम औषध, वो सब वही है. औषधम भी वही है. मान लो सर यू फॉल सिक और आई फॉल सिक और somebody फॉल सिक, औषधम भी वही है. लक्ष्मण स्वामी in Ramayana battle when he was fighting with Indrajit and all that, the Shakti Aidam strikes both Ram and Lakshman. So Lord Hanuman goes to Himalayas and brings that Aushadam, Aham Aushadam. With that they again come back, they become conscious. That Aushadam उसी का रूप है. Aham Aushadam, Mantro Aham eva Ajyam. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Karam, Om Sri Ram, Mantram. Aham eva Ajyam, Aham Agni, Aham Hutam. Pita aham ase jagato mata data. Whole world ka pita hai. Like I am father of my own children, you are father of your own children, but he is the father to the whole of the world. Pita aham asya jagataha. Mata also, not only pita, father, mata also, mother also he. Pita aham asya jagato mata dhata pitama. ये सब नहीं, अपने ब्रह्मदेव नहीं. वेद्यम पवित्र वेद्यम, इसको the one which is to be known, myself only. Like he said, Jnayam, Vedyam. Pavitram, pious thing is also myself only. So that is why when we are doing satsangam, we should be pious. That is why pious heart we have come here. Otherwise, impious heart we cannot come. With impure heart we cannot come here. Pavitram, Omkaraha, is Omkaram only, sir. Ruksami is here. So when we do Omkaram chanting for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 20 minutes, because that Omkaram also, if we do it in such procedure, that Omkaram also came also. We will practice all this, sir, when you have time. Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi. This again, Gati Bharta Prabhu Sakshi. Nivasa Sharanam Sufrut. Nivasa also, after we leave this body, we reside in him only. That's what he says. Sharanam. He gives us the protection. हमारे कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं है सर इस दुनिया में. हम लोग समझते हैं बट एक से बढ़कर एक है. कोई और है, कोई राजा ये कहता कोई और बड़ा आदमी आकर के उसको मार देता है. एक पुलकेशी हर्षवर्धन वो एक दूसरे को मार के मर गए है ना सर. We have a lot of examples in the history. So Sharanam. So the God is the one who protects us. Sukhrut, and he is friendly also. Heart में Sukhrut is a heart friendly person. Prabha Pralaya Sthanam Nidanam Bijam Aviyam. He is undestructible. You are undestructible. I am undestructible. No destruction is there for us, let me tell you. That is the thing we have to learn from Bhagavad Gita at least. All the people who don't read it, who don't follow it, at least they don't come to know they are indestructible. Bijam Aviyam. Bijam Sanatanam. At least that much they know, they have some self-confidence. And they pray God, there is no Jabardasti. But once they know that once I know I am indestructible, I better behave in such a manner where I should not take lower birth. I should take better Devata's birth, something, or go to Raj, God, rather than becoming a tree or an animal or a dog or a tiger or a cow or a horse or elephant. But rather than these, I should try to have a better life. Yes, sir. Go to Indraloka, that is better than roaming around on the streets, no? Amritam cha eva mrityu cha sat asatyaham Arjuna. He is Amritam also, he is Mrityu also, Sat also, Asat also. He is all. What do you think is that Amritam also he never dies, always there. Mrityu also always dying, one dying. Sat also, Asat also there. Chaham Arjuna. Tapami aham varsho nigruhami usrudami cha. So by his son, this thing he takes away the evaporates the river water, and then he nigruhami tapami aham varsho nigruhami usrudami cha.
Rain.
Rain also. So today we have covered this. There are so many other things also of the God divine qualities that we will see tomorrow in the next session, sir. So
8, tomorrow also 8:30.
8:30 will come, sir. We will stop this. Today we will learn some bhavas of Bhagavan. 3 times we will chant Omkaram, sir. Om. Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishna.
Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.